Hey and welcome back. So in this video we are gonna learn that how can we find out mean of numbers, sum of numbers, median, variance, mode. So I have already defined a set A that contains 2, 3, 4, 78 and 65. So one by one I'm gonna use various functions. Firstly, let's talk about a sum. To find out sum of a given set of numbers, you simply type sum and pass the set or matrix in sum function, and it will give you the answer. As you can see here, the sum of these numbers is 152. To find mean of these numbers, you have to use mean functions, mean, and inside that function you simply pass the matrix or various numbers. So I am going to pass a and I will get mean of a. So answer is 30.4. Similarly, for finding median, you can type median and pass the set. It will give you median. To find mode, similar process, simply you type mode and pass the matrix or set of numbers. So on to the last function that we are going to talk about in this video, that is variance. That how can you find variance for a given set of numbers? You simply have to type var instead of variance and pass the matrix. So answer is 1429.3 for matrix. And what was matrix A? Matrix A was a matrix of 1 cross 5 dimension containing 5 elements. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much.